Okay, this is a video to review the material for the quiz that is on Monday, October 26, 2015. A lot of students were requesting a quiz so that they can get their grades up before the end of the marking period. So, hopefully this quiz should do that for you. The quiz will look exactly like the sheet that I gave you in your other classes, or the one that's on the screen right now. It is in the pupil path folder, so if you need to look at it, it's there. If you want to print it, print it. So hopefully, I'm going to be able to write on this board. I'm going to figure that out. And then I'm going to go through a few of the questions, show you what needs to be done, and then you should be practicing on your own coming Monday ready to go. So for number 1, it says 4x plus 9y equals negative 9. And we need to tell them what the slope and the y-intercept is. Unfortunately, we cannot do that yet. Why? The reason is because this equation is not in the correct form. It needs to be in slope-intercept form. If it's not in slope-intercept form, then we need to put it in that form before we can do this. So if you remember, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So let's look back at number 1. Not in the correct form. So we need to get the y so that it's all alone. So it says y equals. So a tip that I taught you in class, if you don't know where to start, is to circle the term that has the y in it. That circle acts as a force field. Do not touch it. You circled it to remind yourself to leave it alone. Now get rid of everything that is on the same side as that term. So the only thing that's on the same side is the 4x. To get rid of a 4x and to move it to the other side of the equation, you need to do the inverse operation, minus 4x from both sides. That will leave us with 9y equals negative 9 minus 4x. Well, those aren't like terms, so nothing I can do but write them next to each other. Negative 9 minus 4x. Now, the y is almost by itself. All that's bothering it is that 9. So we're going to divide every part of this equation, each term, by 9. And I'm going to be left with y equals negative 1 minus 4 over 9x. So my slope is the number that's in front of the x, negative 4 over 9, and the y-intercept is negative 1. Now I'm going to erase what's on the screen now, so if you are copying this down, pause it, and then copy it, and then hit play again. Alright, let's take a look at number 2. They want to know the slope and the y-intercept. Our line is already in slope-intercept form, so the slope is the number that's in front of the x, 2, and the y-intercept is the number that's by itself, negative 2, because of the minus sign. Number 3, not in slope-intercept form, so circle the term that has the y in it, and get rid of everything else that's next to it. We need to do plus 4x to both sides. That will give us 3y equals negative 6 plus 4x. Now divide everything by 3. Y equals negative 2 plus 4 over 3x. Leave it as a fraction. The slope is 4 over 3, and the y-intercept is negative 2. And number 4, circle the term that has the y in it because it's not in the correct form. Do minus x from both sides. 4y equals 32 minus x. Divide by 4. Each part of the equation. Y equals 8 minus x over 4. So I already know that the y-intercept is 8. What's the slope? Minus x over 4? We haven't seen anything like that, but we can rewrite it as 8 minus 1 over 4x. So if you have x over 4, that's the same thing as 1 over 4x. So the slope is negative 1 over 4. Hopefully this helps. If you have questions, you need to ask someone how to do this, look for additional help on the internet, or email me, Mr. Zuckerbrow at gmail.com. I will answer you as soon as I can. If you email me on Sunday, I will answer you as soon as the Giants game is over. Good luck. See you Monday.